Hello. How are you? Please.
His Excellency, the Chief of Staff to the President, Right Honorable.
But the contribution to the knowledge and economic development of a nation will depend on the care we give to our people, particularly the most vulnerable and the needy. And what I'm doing is tremendous, and we have a phenomenal impact on the people. The Honorable and Coordinating Minister for Health has said it all. I am in support, and we encourage the mobilization of fund and commitment to see this through, to reach our vulnerable and the children in our schools. Some parents might not pay attention to your story, but I do, and I am touched. Thank you very much. So, whatever we can do.
The fund aims to raise $1 billion as a catalytic fund. It will not be enough, but that's sort of multi-country, $1 billion, that's their aspiration. Using alternative finance, engaging funders and other sectors to do what they had laid out to do for health, but also linking to educational outcomes. So this idea of integration and taking eye health beyond just the health sector to other developmental areas is one thing that the Catalytic Fund will help.
And when I look at the situation in Nigeria, I see a mix of real hope and real challenge. The estimated numbers today are around 24 million people with vision loss in Nigeria and about 1.3 million blind. The tragedy in it is 90% could see tomorrow if they could access quality treatment. And that quality treatment is not complex things. It's either a pair of glasses or a cataract operation for the majority. So these are things that are within grasp, within reach, that can be delivered in near term.